Dear students, let us start today the topic number 1 from your science 1, that is gravitation. To understand this topic better, you must know some concepts of 9th standard. The most important concept that you must know is about force. What is force and what are the effects of force? Coming to gravitation, you must have heard the story related to Sir Isaac Newton. And as the story goes, Sir Isaac Newton discovered the force by seeing an apple fall from a tree on the ground. That is, he saw an apple falling to the ground. And when he saw that apple falling to the ground, he wondered, why did the apple not fly somewhere into the sky? Why did it not go in the horizontal direction? Why did it go directly downwards? And then he thought, yes, there must be something that must have attracted the apple towards itself. And that attractive force must be directed towards the center of the earth, because the apple fell directly towards the earth. So there is something which is pulling the apple towards it. And this force came to be known as a gravitational force. So whenever an object falls, it falls downwards. It appears as if it is going towards the center of the earth. This force is a gravitational force. When you look into this diagram, it is very clear that this force is not only between the earth and any object, but it is also between the various celestial bodies which are there. That is, it is between various planets and between the other celestial objects. So gravitational force is a force which acts between all the objects in the universe. And after understanding this concept of gravitation, we will learn the concept of Newton's universal law of gravitation. So Newton gave a law which is the universal law of gravitation based on his discovery of this gravitational force. So a recap for this lecture, that there is a force which acts between objects in the universe, and that force is called the gravitational force. Thank you.